It's a slow and long mixed together there. It's a schlong.
I'm Lydia and this is Autumn, a 30-year-old emergency gas coordinator from Portsmouth. And this is KMS Beyond Hair. On Autumn's beautiful long hair today, we're going to be creating a playful and textured shag haircut by incorporating in some short layers. So tell me a little bit about what you do for a living.
Any gas emergencies, gas leaks, I organise the engineers and send them out.
You set people up on dates with,
with gas
engineer.
Yeah.
You are a vegan, aren't you?
Yes.
So I know that you used to work previously in a vegan cafe.
I did, yeah. But a lot of people would come in thinking that it was just your bog standard normal coffee shop. So trying to explain to a 50-year-old man that he can't have any dairy in his tea or coffee and that he would have to have oat milk instead, it would never really go down very well. And most of the time they would think that I was telling them that they could have goat milk. And I'd be like, goat milk? No, oat milk. And it was a very alien subject for a lot of the people that would come in, but it was also kind of fun to get them to experience something new and see if they enjoyed it. And yeah, so I really liked it.
So how long have you been a vegan for?
I always judge it by how old my dog is because I went vegan about the time that I got him. So it's about, I want to say 6 years. I don't know, I just made this connection of like, he's just this cute little tiny animal and I couldn't see myself eating cute little tiny animals anymore.
Oh.
Yeah.
And that's why I think the response to the Conscious Style range has been so good for us, because it does align with so many of our clients' beliefs where they want that quality of professional hair care and the results, but without having to compromise on their beliefs. The first time I ever met you, you were a tattoo apprentice.
I'd always wanted piercings and tattoos when I was a kid. And I remember my mum had told me that I had to wait until I was 16 to get my first piercing. And I think she probably had hoped that if she made me wait long enough that I wouldn't want them anymore.
That you go off the idea.
Yeah, but it had the opposite effect. So I waited until my 16th birthday. And from then on, it became a thing of the new piercing every week. And my mum would then open the front door to see this new piece of metal in my face and she would just start crying at the front door. She'd say to me, oh, your beautiful face, not your face. She then thought it would be a good idea to tell me that she would rather I got tattoos because then they wouldn't be in my face, which then became the next obsession really, and had the same effect that she would just answer the door to me after a new tattoo, just crying.
I do have my ex's name
Oh no.
tattooed on my arm. Yeah.
Oh gosh.
So I just crossed it out. I don't think I could go through laser. I know your mum as well. I can't really imagine you could do anything to sort of like shock or disappoint her.
Well, there was this one rather embarrassing time when I was in college. I was at home doing my coursework and I was chatting to my partner via text and things had gotten a bit heated and I accidentally sexted my mother, who was on the school run to pick up one of my little sisters with my other little sister in the car. Once I had realised that I had done this, I sent her maybe about 50 texts like, don't read that text, don't read that text. And she was driving, so she just passed her phone to my little sister, who then proceeded to read the text out to the entire car. My mum just texted me back something like, get on with your coursework, Autumn.
Let's blow dry this baby. So I finished blow drying, and to top it off, I'm going to finish with the Conscious Style Multi-Benefit Spray, which you can use in a lot of different ways, but I'm going to use it as a finishing spray, just to give a little bit of texture and flexible hold. Are you ready for the big reveal?
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Oh wow. I love this shape here. It's very much in keep with my whole 70s vibe. I love it, thank you.
You're welcome! conversation with Autumn. To check out other episodes and lots more great hair content, head over to the KMS Pro YouTube channel.